Hi guys, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travel, and today I'm going to show you how to make clarified butter at home. It's very easy and super delicious. First, take butter. Here I am using 1200 gram butter, normal white butter, cut into equal pieces. Make sure all the butter pieces are on equal size so that the butter will melt equally. Take a solid base pot and switch on the heat. Add butter and stir continuously, otherwise it will burn. Once it's done, on a high heat, cook until it starts boiling. Heat low and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Sprinkle cold water. This helps the ghee to make a coarse texture. After, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the heat and keep it rest for at least 15 minutes. Take a glass jars. With the help of a strainer, sieve the ghee and pour it into the jars. Leave the jar open on a safer place and allow them to cool at room temperature. Then, once the ghee is cool, then cover the jars with lid and store at room temperature or in a fridge. You can store this ghee for up to 2 to 3 months. Enjoy homemade ghee. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more recipes. Also share your experience in the comment section below.